Hi all of you, a very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech in Maths. My name is Kumar Das. इस वीडियो में quadratic equation JEE one of the question I am going to solve here. So the question asked in 11th April 2023 shift 1 का ये question है. So क्या है basically question, हमें एक quadratic equation given है and the quadratic equation is what here x square minus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. एंड वी आर आस्क्ड हियर द ए और बी जो है यहाँ पे क्या है रूट्स है इस इक्वेशन का. देन वी हैव टू इवेलुएट दिस वन. सो ए और बी रूट्स है तो ए एंड बी आर रूट्स, सो दिस मस्ट सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशन. ए एंड बी आर रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. So this must satisfy this equation. So a square minus 7a minus 1 equal to 0. So यहाँ से a square minus 1 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं equal to 7a, right? On squaring, अगर मैं इसको स्क्वायर करता हूँ on squaring both side, so we get what a square minus 1 whole square हो जाएगा ये and equal to what 7a the whole square. So we get here the a to the power 4, right, minus 2a square plus 1 equal to what 49a square. So a to the power 4 plus 1 का रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा, a to the power 4 plus 1 हो जाएगा 49a square plus 2a square. So we get here the a to the power 4 plus 1 का रिजल्ट हो गया 51a square. Similarly b भी एक इसका रूट्स है, तो similarly we can write also what b to the power 4 plus 1 equal to what 51b square. Okay, fine. Now we'll evaluate the expression. So expression जो हमारा है वो क्या है, a to the power 21. So expression that we have to evaluate is a to the power 21 plus b to the power 21 plus a to the power 17 plus b to the power 17, right, and whole divided by what a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. So now what we can do here is a to the power 21 and a to the 17 में से a to the power 17 we can take common. So a to the power 17 common ले लिया, so this becomes what a to the power 4 plus 1 हो जाएगा. Similarly a b to the power 21 और b to the 17 में से b to the power 17 में common ले लूँ, तो that we have here what a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, and denominator में a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19 we have. So a to the power 4 plus 1 हमारा क्या रिजल्ट है, a to the power 4 plus 1 is what 51a square, right, 51a square, and b to the power 17 and here b to the power 4 plus 1, that result is also what, that result is also b to the power what here b to the power 51 b to the power 2, right, b to the power 2, 51 b to the power 2. Okay, and divided by what a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. So we can take 51 common here, so a to the power 17 into a to the power 2, so power will be added, so a to the power 19 and b to the power 19 divided by what a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19. Okay, so a to the power 19 plus b to the power 19 get cancelled, right, get cancelled, so we get the result as 51. So answer for this question is 51. Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.